Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys, we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on app lock and use. Friends, you want to on app lock in your Poco phone device, and how to on app lock and how to use app lock setting. Today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Poco phone app setting. This app setting guys, we will click here. Friends, you can see app lock, so guys we will click here app lock. Friends, you can see turn on app lock, so you can on your app lock from here. Friends, you want to set pattern lock, and friends you want to change into pin and password, so you can change it. So I will take this pin and I will enter guys pin here 1 2 3 4 guys. Don't do any mistake guys, be careful. 1 2 3 4 and next. Friends, not now click option. Friends, then again click on not now. You want to sign in, so you can sign in, but guys I will not now. And as you can see, use app lock. You want to lock, use app lock, so guys you can lock apps. So guys we will lock some apps. Example, so as you can see, when we will use YouTube, so like we have this app lock, so we will enter our password to unlock YouTube app. So like that guys, we can use guys app lock setting in Poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. As you can see Zili, when I will use, as you can see I will enter password to unlock my Zili app. So I hope you understood how to use app lock setting, how to on app lock. And once if I talk about guys app lock off setting, so how to turn off, click on guys your app setting app lock setting, enter your password friends, then click on right side setting option, app lock is on, so guys tap here to off it. Friends, app lock will off. Friends, you can see again guys you will have to turn on your app lock, then guys you can use app lock setting, otherwise not. So once you can see, when I will use YouTube and guys any app without enter password, I can use YouTube app. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.